154 പ്ലെയേഴ്സ് ഇന്ന് നാളെയുമായി നമ്മൾ ഈ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ അവരെ കായികമായി പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കും. അതോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് അവർക്ക് പിന്നീട് വരുന്ന എല്ലാവിധ കായിക പ്രോത്സാഹനങ്ങളും നമ്മൾ അവർക്ക് ഒരുക്കിയെടുക്കും. അതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി നടക്കുന്ന ഈ പ്രശ്നത്തെ അതായത് ദേശത്തിൻ്റെ മാത്രമായി ഒതുങ്ങി നിൽക്കും. ഇത് കായിക രംഗം അങ്ങനെയല്ല. അത് ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ അതിരുകൾ വിട്ട് എല്ലാ മേഖലയിലും എല്ലാ രാഷ്ട്രങ്ങളും
जानकर मैं तुम्हें इस दलदल से निकालकर अच्छी जिंदगी देना चाहता हूँ।
तुम क्या मुझे अच्छी जिंदगी दोगे? तुम सारे मर्द एक जैसे होते हो।
ऐसा तो क्या हुआ तेरे साथ कि तुम इस जगह पर पहुंची?
All of you, I'm very happy today to kick off the Palakkad Ambedkar football tournament. I wish all the teams and all participations. I hope this tournament will be great success. I'd like to extend my heartfelt congratulations for organizers for putting together such as wonderful event today. Tournaments like not just about a football tournament. It's a friendship, teamwork, community spirit, inspiring to the so many related players in here today. Ambedkar was great personality, changed into the course history in India. Discrimination in India during his lifetime. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar Let's honor him by upholding him. Justice, liberty, equality, and all of them. I'm not afraid of a man who has learned one technique 1,000 times practice. And I am afraid of a man who has learned one technique 1,000 times practice. Today's world, there are many football players from the past, like Maradona, Messi, Neymar, and Mbappe, the greatest football players in the world, the magician football players in the world. Origin of football. Earliest forms word kickball were played in ancient China. It's known as Siju. However, the modern game with standardized rules, Association of Soccer, officially in Britain, 1863. We are gathered here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We are gathered here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, arithmetic of Indian Constitution. Society, everyone was equal. Every players were equal. On this beautiful playing field of soccer, there is no caste, no religion, no economic difference. Here every peoples were equal. Healthy built a strong nation, requires a strong youth generation. At the foundation for that. Once again, for the first time, the inauguration program in India. For the first time, the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar football tournament in Kerala. Ambedkar ideals may this tournaments also inspiring on your youth. Parashurama was threw an axe from the land into the sea, creating the wonderful Kerala, and it said to be land from the Palakkad. I pray that this tournament will be lead to the growth of a more great sports persons from the country, from the land of Palakkad. I have only one thing to say, beloved players, you don't be discouraged by failures. Success is not destination, it's a journey. Each of you must that good sportsman spirit. Enjoy the game today. Do you best. When the world rejected him away from the schoolyard, from his weapon was liberty. When India gained independence, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar assigned to the right the future of the nation. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, who enlightened the nation, darkness from injustice. Success came from a through careful planning. He is strong to push. This word spoken by Sheikh Muhammad bin Al Rashid Al Maktoum, ഒരു രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ ഭരണാധികാരി, the real Don. ശക്തമായ കുതിപ്പിലൂടെയും ആസൂത്രണമായ പ്ലാനിങ്ങിലൂടെയും നമുക്ക് മുന്നേറാം. This word spoken by Sheikh Muhammad bin Al Rashid Al Maktoum. India's spiritual icon. The first time Bapuji was called father of nation. India's largest liberation movement. The first time Bapuji was called father of nation, India's largest liberation movement. I want every person present here today to write a new chapter, a new future. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar football tournament to the world to be written a new future, a new chapter. आज की इस टूर्नामेंट में कौन सी टीम विन हो जाएगी? वो टीम आपका हिम्मत, आपकी बाइसेप्स, आपका बॉडी दिखाओ. आपका इस ट्रॉफी लेके घोड़ा का ऊपर बैठ के आपकी ट्रॉफी ले जाइए. आपकी ट्रॉफी, आपकी हिम्मत दिखाइए. ओके, थैंक यू.